Hello friends, so is your car showing code P0475? If you're facing loss of power, rough idling, or excessive smoke from the exhaust, then this code might be the culprit. In this video, I'll explain what P0475 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. So let's talk about some of the most common causes behind the P0475 code. First, a faulty exhaust back pressure regulator valve. When this valve gets stuck or damaged, it can cause incorrect pressure control, which is definitely a problem. Next up, wiring or connector issues. Corroded or loose wiring can really disrupt the signals. Then, there's carbon buildup in the EBPR valve. This buildup can make the valve stick or just not function properly. Another cause is a faulty exhaust pressure sensor, or EPS. If it gives incorrect readings, it can seriously affect pressure regulation, and sometimes it's an ECU malfunction or a software glitch. In those cases, you might need an ECU reflash. Now let's see how you can actually fix this code. First things first, use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0475 code. After that, inspect the EBPR valve and look for any signs of carbon buildup or damage. Next, check the exhaust pressure sensor. If it turns out to be faulty, go ahead and replace it. Then test all the wiring and connectors to make sure every connection is clean and secure. If the EBPR valve is stuck or clogged, clean it, or, if needed, replace it. Also, verify the ECU functionality, and if necessary, you might need to perform an ECU update or reflash. Finally, clear the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue is actually resolved. The P0475 code is usually caused by a faulty EBPR valve wiring issues or sensor failure. Fixing it will restore proper exhaust pressure control, engine performance, and even fuel efficiency. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0222, throttle position sensor circuit low input, and P0223, throttle position sensor circuit high input. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.